Okay. You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? You're everything I hope for. You're everything I need. You are so beautiful to me.
Aww, how cute.
Good job, baby.
Thank you very much.
What's happening?
What's happening? Hey! We're celebrating Christmas Eve. And we're bringing the Coronas back, but we got jumbo size this time. Jumbo. Jumbo.
Go, Ruben. Go, Ruben. Go, Ruben. Go, Ruben. He's doing good. Say hi to Abigail. Say hi to
We're about to go out right now. That's why we have no makeup on. We're looking natural right now. Our hair's not even done.
Oh, my hair's bushy.
About to go hit Kirby's in Fremont, California. If you guys don't know, now you know. And about to go celebrate Christmas Eve like we said before. It's going to be a good night. Christmas Eve, my bad. New Year's Eve, damn. Damn. New Year's Eve, we're having a good time. We're about to celebrate tomorrow again for New Year's Eve. Facebook. Got a new iPhone 4 for Christmas. Yeah. What's happening?
What's happening?
Catch you guys on the next clip. Peace. Peace.
Bin Laden, amigos.
You sound like you said Bin Laden, amigos. Bin Laden's not here.
Oh, it's recording. I thought it was... Well, it's just Giovanna sleeping before she's ready to go out. Look at her. She has her makeup done. Her hair's curly. But she's taking a nap. OMG. Now that's how you do it. Right, Giovanna?
Adiós, amigos.